Guys, it is me, Ethan Hurst. Today I'm back with another GTA 5 online video, and today I'm showing you how to get invisible arms. So let's get on with it. So go on to Browse Tops, go over to Hoodies, and purchase or buy the Great Baggy hoodie. Then, by the way, this is only on Xbox One. So then, go off that, go over to Inventory, go on Accessories, then go over to Gloves, and then select a pair of gloves. Then go over to Watches, select a watch, and it will take off your hoodie, and it will say you still have the gloves. Okay? Then what you want to do is you want to simply switch your gloves, switch your gloves, and boom, invisible arms. But you can also then take off everything, and then you still have it. I don't know if you can change the shirt. I think you can't. No, you can't change the shirt. It will simply give you the charcoal shirt. Well, for me it did, so it should for you, I believe. But it's still a very cool glitch. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, Ethan Hurst, and peace.